Want to nail the French alphabet? Let's do it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Want to keep practicing? Get my free guide and take your French to the next level. Top 5 greetings for casual conversations in French. Salut. Salut.
Salut, darling.
A simple, friendly way to say hi. Coucou, coucou.
Coucou, les gars.
A cute, informal way to say hi. Ça va? Ça va?
Bonjour madame, ça va?
A common way to ask how is it going. Ciao. Ciao.
Ciao, Julia.
It means bye and it's borrowed from Italian. And the final one is allo. Allo.
Hello, hello!
This one is commonly used in Quebec to say hi in informal settings. Let me repeat from the beginning. Salut, coucou, ça va, ciao, and allo. Which one is your favorite? Tell me in the comments. Don't know how to say goodbye in French? Let me show you 3 friendly ways. Salut, salut, salut. T is silent here. This is a casual way to say goodbye among friends. A bientôt. A bientôt. Use this with friends or colleagues when you expect to see them again soon. And finally, we have ciao. Ciao. Borrowed from Italian, this one is also very friendly and common way to say goodbye. Let's repeat. Salut. A bientôt. Ciao. Follow for more and a bientôt. Hey guys, I just wanted to share that I'm launching my TEF Canada Success course again. If you are a complete beginner in French and don't have a lot of time, this is a complete course that you can take at your own pace. It will take you from 0 to B2 level French. The course includes lots of exam practice, exercises and tips to help you succeed. I will personally track your progress, give you feedback on your weekly assignments, and help you improve quickly. If that sounds good to you, check out the course link down below. See you in the course. If you want to say bonjour in French, you need to first master the first part, bon. Bon. There is a nasal vowel here, bon, which means good. Then the second part is jour, jour. So here we have the vowel OU, which is pronounced as ou, ou. So it sounds like jour, bonjour, bonjour. You can say the second part a little bit longer to sound more natural. Bonjour. Can you do it? Can you count to 20 in French? Let's learn together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Watch out for the nasal sounds like in un and 20. Need extra practice? Get my free guide to make learning numbers fun and easy. To create simple sentences in French, you need pronouns like I, you, he, she, and they. Je. Je. Use it to talk about yourself. Je mange. Je mange. Tu. Tu. Use it with friends or people at your age. Tu vas bien. Tu vas bien. Tu as un chien. Tu as un chien. Il. Elle. Il. Elle. For example, il parle. Il parle. Elle mange. Elle mange. And then we have il and elle with S. Il parle. Elle mange. Let me know if you have any questions. What's the difference between nous and on? Nous is the more formal and traditional way to say we in French. We usually use it in formal speech or writing. For instance, we say nous avons terminé le projet. Nous travaillons tous les jours. On is more informal and we use it in everyday speech. For instance, we say on va au ciné. On mange au resto. We also use it to refer to people in general. On sait jamais. On sait jamais. So you can use on in casual conversations and nous when you want to be formal. Follow for more. In French, there are two ways to say you. Tu and vous. Tu is used with friends, family, or people you know well. Vous is used for strangers, elders, or in professional settings. It's formal and polite. So make sure to use the right one based on the situation. Do you have one or two ways to say you in your language? Let me know in the comments. Don't know how to form sentences in French? Let me show you. Here is a basic structure. Sujet, verbe, objet. Par exemple, je fais un gâteau. Je fais un gâteau. For the negative sentences, use ne pas around the verb. Par exemple, je ne fais pas de gâteau. Je ne fais pas de gâteau. For questions, use est-ce que or raise your tone. Par exemple, est-ce que tu fais un gâteau? Or tu fais un gâteau? Now practice these and start building your own sentences. And follow for more. Let's go through the days of the week in French. Lundi, lundi. Mardi, mardi. Mercredi, mercredi. Jeudi, jeudi. Vendredi, vendredi. Samedi, samedi. So here we don't pronounce the E in the middle. Samedi. And dimanche, dimanche. Dimanche is the only day of the week in French that doesn't end in D. Dimanche. Which day is your favorite? Tell me in the comments. If you're a beginner in French, you need to master these two verbs, être and avoir. Let me show you how we conjugate them. Être means to be, and it's an irregular verb. We use it to describe states or characteristics. Let me show you an example. Je suis content. Je suis content. Now let's see how we conjugate it. Je suis. Tu es. S is silent here. Il est. Elle est. STR silent here. On est. Nous sommes. Vous êtes. Here we link it. Vous êtes. Ils sont. Elles sont. Let me repeat. Je suis. Tu es. Il est. Elle est. On est. Nous sommes. Vous êtes. Ils sont. Elles sont. And the verb avoir means to have. We use it to express what we own. For instance, we say j'ai un chien. J'ai un chien. Here's how we conjugate it. J'ai. J'ai. Tu as. Tu as. S is silent here. Il a. Elle a. On a. Nous avons. Here we link it. Nous avons. Vous avez. Ils ont. Elles ont. Let me repeat. J'ai. Tu as. Il a. Elle a. On a. Nous avons. Vous avez. Ils ont. Elles ont. Write an example in the comments and I'll correct you. Someone says merci.
Merci, monsieur.
Eh, merci. Merci, Gaston.
Here's how to reply. You can say de rien, avec plaisir, il n'y a pas de quoi, il n'y a pas de quoi. So pick the one that fits the vibe. How to respond to ça va in French. You could just say ça va or ça va bien, très bien, merci. Or if you're feeling amazing, you could say super. Or even better, au top, au top. If you're not feeling great, you could say ça peut aller, ça peut aller. Or ça va pas, ça va pas. Et toi, est-ce que ça va? Tell me in the comments. Salut! Let's learn how to ask simple questions in French. 1. Yes and no questions. Just raise the tone at the end. Tu as une idée? Tu as une idée? 2. Add est-ce que at the beginning. Est-ce que tu as une idée? Est-ce que tu as une idée? 3. Question words. Qui, quoi, où. Par exemple, où est le musée? Où est le musée? Voilà, c'est facile. Get your free ebook now and follow for more.